Hi chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen. If you are new here, welcome to my kitchen. If you are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell for new videos. Guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this ground chicken casserole. It is a very simple and easy recipe. So let's see what ingredients I used for this recipe. I have some silk coconut milk, but you can use a milk of your choice. I have some chopped onion. I have some plant-based mozzarella cheese, but you can use any mozzarella cheese of your choice. I have some garlic powder, some onion powder, some Italian seasoning, some seasoning salt. I have some paprika, some green seasoning, and I will leave the link for the recipe in the description box. I also have some Barilla rotini. I have 1 pound of ground chicken. You can also use ground turkey or ground beef. I'm bringing half a pot of water to a boil with 1 pinch of salt. I'm adding my rotini and I'm giving it a quick stir. And I'm going to allow it to cook until they are semi-soft. I think my rotini is ready, so I'm going to check it by removing one of the rotinis and pinching it. It is ready, so I'm going to drain it and set it aside. So now let's move on to the ground chicken. I'm heating up about 1 teaspoon of olive oil on medium heat. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of my green seasoning. I'm giving it a quick stir and I'm going to allow it to cook until the edges of the green seasoning start to turn brown. Now it's time to add the ground chicken. I'm using a flat spatula to mix in the ground seasonings, which will give it all that flavor. I'm also breaking apart the ground chicken at the same time. I'm allowing it to cook until the ground turkey is no longer pink while occasionally stirring it. I am lightly sprinkling my dry seasonings. I'm mixing all my ingredients together to spread the dry seasonings evenly throughout the ground chicken. I'm cooking the ground turkey on medium heat until it starts to get golden brown. This next ingredient is optional since the green seasoning has onions in it, but I'm adding about a handful of chopped onions. So guys, my ground chicken is ready. Look at that nice brown color. I'm going to set it aside and move on to the next step. Next, I'm prepping the rotini for the casserole. I'm adding 2 slices of butter. And you can use any butter of your choice. I'm allowing it to melt on low heat. Whilst my butter is melting, I'm covering my rotini with some plant-based grated Parmesan cheese. You can use any Parmesan cheese of your choice. You can also use cheddar cheese. I'm adding about a cup of silk coconut milk, but you can add any milk of your choice. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever tried plant-based cheese. So now I'm giving it a quick stir and I'm mixing in a second layer of my Parmesan cheese. I'm going to let it cook until all my cheese has melted. The cheese is slowly melting, but I'm getting there.
One eternity later.
My Parmesan cheese has melted, so now I'm mixing in my ground chicken. Let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite casserole? So you could make 2 meals out of this. You could either make a casserole or you could make like a hamburger helper style. Both dishes are pretty good. I preheated my oven at 350. So I'm making sure to spread the ground chicken evenly throughout the rotini. Next, I'm sprinkling some dried parsley. This next step is optional, but I wanted to make it a little more cheesy. I'm transferring it into a baking dish and I'm sprinkling some Parmesan cheese, and I'm going to bake it for about 5 minutes or until the cheese has melted. So there it is, guys. This is my ground chicken casserole. Very simple, easy, and quick. And did I say budget friendly? So let's cut into it. As you can see, there is a difference between plant-based cheese and regular cheese. Look at that slice, y'all. And I'm gonna give you guys a close-up. I love how the top of my casserole has a crisp to it, but the inside is nice and moist. And each bite is full of chunks of chicken. So I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.